Welcome back to Bike Update, your ultimate destination for all things motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda ADV160, a scooter that continues to blur the line between daily commuting and light off-road adventure. The ADV160 has built a reputation for being practical, rugged, and stylish, and Honda has taken it a step further in 2025. Let's talk about the engine first. It still carries the same 156.9cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, but Honda has tweaked it for better fuel efficiency and smoother performance. It now produces around 16 horsepower, making it powerful enough for city rides and weekend escapes. One of the key highlights this year is the improved Smart Power Plus engine technology, which enhances fuel economy and reduces internal friction. The throttle response feels more refined, and the acceleration is snappy for a scooter of this class. Whether you're navigating through tight traffic or cruising on the highway, the ADV160 delivers a smooth and confident ride. Now let's talk about design. The 2025 ADV160 continues with its adventure-style bodywork, but with slightly sharper lines and updated color schemes. Honda is offering new matte and gloss finishes that really stand out. The signature tall windscreen remains adjustable, giving riders added protection on longer rides. The scooter also retains its rugged-looking front peak, dual-purpose tires, and bold LED lighting all around. It looks just as good in the city as it is on a dirt path. Plus, the updated LED indicators and rear light setup give it a premium and aggressive touch. Honda has also focused on comfort. The seat height is set at 780mm, which makes it accessible to most riders. The riding position is upright and relaxed, and the floorboard is wide enough to accommodate different foot placements. You also get a generous 30-liter underseat storage compartment, perfect for your helmet, backpack, or groceries. On the tech side, the ADV160 is equipped with a fully digital LCD display showing everything from speed and fuel level to trip info and clock. It now includes a built-in USB-C charging port, which is a great upgrade for charging your phone or devices on the go. Another major improvement is Honda's Smart Key system, which adds a level of convenience and security. You can start the scooter, unlock the seat, and open the fuel lid without taking the key out of your pocket. It's a small touch, but it adds a lot to the daily experience. Suspension-wise, the ADV160 comes with telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, tuned to handle bumpy roads without discomfort. The 14-inch front and 13-inch rear wheels, paired with wide tires, offer good grip and stability, whether on paved streets or light trails. For braking, Honda has equipped the ADV160 with a front disc and rear drum setup, supported by a single-channel ABS system for added safety during sudden stops. It's not dual-channel, but still effective for a scooter in this category. And finally, the mileage. The 2025 ADV160 offers a claimed fuel economy of around 45 to 50 kilometers per liter, depending on your riding style. That's impressive for a scooter that offers this level of performance and versatility. Overall, the 2025 Honda ADV160 is a solid choice for riders who want the flexibility of a commuter and the capability of an adventure-ready machine. It's stylish, practical, and packed with just enough features to make every ride enjoyable. Thanks for watching today's video and bike update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting motorcycle updates. Ride safe and see you in the next one.